Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to clean a irumbu dosai kal or cast iron dosai pan and make it dosai friendly yet again. And I usually do this once in 3 months or so to keep the pan neat and clean. So first heat the dosai kal or dosai pan and then start scraping the pan once it is hot. And I'm going to switch the video settings as this scraping part is not seen in the normal settings. So it's going to get brighter now, so you can see when I scrape through the pan. You can scrape the pan both inside and outside and on the top surface as well, as you'll notice that there is more oil grease even there. And you can switch off the stove in between to cool the pan a little bit, as it may get very hot. As this is made of cast iron, it can absorb heat and keep it for a longer time. Once you have scraped all through the pan, you will notice the dry grease that falls off. Ensure that it doesn't fall in any of your food items. And do not try this with your non-stick pan. Absolutely, this technique is not for cleaning any of your non-stick pans. So this is just for the cast iron pans. And switch on the stove yet again if in case your pan is getting cooler, because it's easier to scrape the grease when the pan is quite hot and not too cold. You can switch off the stove once you are almost done cleaning the pan. You can see the grease all around the pan now. So wash the pan now thoroughly with water and the washing liquid that you use, and dry the pan. It is going to be hard to make dosas on this pan now after cleaning. So we are going to see some techniques where we can make it dosa friendly again. I am cutting an onion on top part of it and keeping it aside. Turn on the stove to heat the pan and add some sesame oil. It's very important that you add sesame oil because that works really good. And I'm going to use the onion head and rub the pan all over and spread that oil as well. Take your time to rub in the pan, as this is going to help make it dosa friendly. If you feel it is hot on your hands, you can use a fork to rub the onion head on the pan. And another technique that you can use is add sesame oil and then 1 teaspoon of urad dal and fry it for a couple of minutes. Spread the urad dal all over the pan, and this also helps to make the pan dosa friendly. You can then remove the fried urad dal and set it aside. This can be later used in any cooking that you do for the day. Another technique is to add some sesame oil on the pan and rub it with a piece of wood. We get this piece from my native place. This is like, I can show you this. This is very handy while making dosas. Another technique would be to add sesame oil and rub it with cotton cloth. make it into a thick fold, or if you don't have a cotton cloth, you can use tissue but a thicker one, and fold it to make it thick enough that it can withstand the heat. Now the pan is ready to make dosas. Now time to test if it works. So add the dosa batter and spread it. Sprinkle some oil and keep it covered. You'll notice that now it's very easy to remove the dosa from the pan even after doing such deep cleaning of the pan. If you use this pan to make chapati as well, you will notice that making dosas is harder after you made chapatis on the pan. So at that time also you can use a combination of these techniques to make the pan dosa friendly again. And I hope you have enjoyed this video and it's been helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and see you soon again with another video.